Hello my friend, this is a CNC press brake made from JUGAO with the S860 controller. See, this is the product made from this machine. Yes, they are products made from this machine. Okay, check. This is the S860 controller. You can see here. This is the bending angle. You can set the bending angle here. And this is the outer. Outer is the package from this part to this part package. And this is RSS for the package up and down. And this is Y1, Y2, the data of Y1, Y2, Y1, Y2, Y1, Y2. And this is the pressure of the machine. We can change the pressure here, change the pressure here. See, this is the X-axis, RSS, X-axis. The fingers to the distance between the finger and the motor, and the RSS, the distance of the fingers up and down. This is the fingers of the machine. Okay, and you check the left part. You check the left part. Yes, and this is with correct the bending angle. Can correct the bending angle here, and we can put the wires here, the wires of sheet here, and the pine offset here. And this is the PB dies are wet because the fingers can bite when it bending the sheet. And loop speed dies, pivot dies, hard. And also it can bend the round shape products. Yes, this is the distance up down. Yeah, okay. And also it's with 2D driving. 把我那个20这个图画出来给我打来的。哦，不带。嗯。Yes. So generally speaking, it's very easy to operate. You can set the bending angle here. See, this is the bending angle. You can set the bending angle. The package, back stop, the RSS. Okay, Y1, Y2. Also, we can correct the Y1, Y2 here. Okay, let's check the working of this machine with the S860 controller. See here. Okay, the speed is very good. Okay, let's check the working of the back stops. And we can check the speed of the back stop. It's very fast. And the moving is very stable. See, the package is up and down. And forward and back